Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair installation video. I'm super excited because we're finally doing a hair installation video at the new house. So this is going to be the new setup, well, at least for now, because I still have some stuff to do to this room. But I'm just super excited, y'all, because Alipearl has sent me another one of their amazing wigs, and y'all already know how Alipearl is definitely one of my top favorite hair companies. They never miss, and it is definitely time for me to change my wig out, as y'all can see. So let's go ahead and unbox this beauty and see what's in, what we'll be wearing, and get right into it. So this is what it's gonna look like right when you take it off, and let me take a sneak peek to see what we got, y'all. So we got a small cap size, hair density 250%, 26-inch wig. 26-inch wig, y'all. Okay. Let's get into this bonnet, which this is a pretty bonnet. So let's get into what's also in the box. So it comes with a bonnet. Perfect. It also comes with another edge brush. Y'all, I go through these so much, so I'm always grateful for that. A hair scrunchie, an HD wig cap. And what's this? Y'all, I'm getting something different. I ain't never get this before. Let's see what this is. Let's see what, oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so cute. This is, hold on. I don't want to get my makeup on it, but this is so, how do you, you got so much stuff you want to do, I can't even keep up with it. So this is something you can wear around your hair. I just don't want to get no makeup, so I'm not going to tie it all the way. Or you can tie like this around it. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like, oh, hold on. This is so cute. This is super cute. This is super cute. So, and then you can also put this on your purse. Like, there's a lot of different things. You could just keep your hair tied up, but most people are going to wear this on their hair. Thank you, Alipearl, because this is so cute. I love this color as well. Alipearl has upgraded their lace, and they now have single knots on their wigs. And y'all, look at this. Hold on. Let me get the little, okay, there we go. Wow. Do y'all see this? Wow. Let me give y'all a little up close and personal. And then I'm going to actually put this on my arm so y'all can kind of see. Hold on, let me get the lace laid the way that it needs to be. They've already bleached their knot, so that's perfect. But do y'all see this? This part is everything. The knots are everything. The plug game is everything. Like, literally, she's about to be that girl. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So fast. I didn't even show me cutting the lace. Most of it is still here, but I didn't even show me cutting around the ears. I forgot to press record, but that's what the next step is, cutting excess lace off. I got all this extra hair on me now. And before I cut this part off, I'm going to actually spray to get all that extra product out for one, and to make sure that the lace is laid for sure. I don't know if I'm going to do baby hair yet. I did baby hair with the last look, and I don't regret it. Trying to make sure all the lace that needs to come off is off, but darn it, I think I left my comb that I'm going to need to do the next step. But I guess I can use the tip of the comb that they sent me to pull this hair out right here. I'm just gonna pull a little bit out, because like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna do the full baby hair thing. So let's go ahead and just pull that out. Okay, y'all, so I decided to attempt at the baby hair. Ooh, y'all, pray for me, pray for me. Okay, y'all, it's up and it's stuck now. Duplicate what I see my stylist do. Okay, y'all, so I did not cut the lace off still, but I wanted to come because now it's time. Let me move my, y'all, they want me to curl this hair, but honey, they ain't really nothing to curl. This hair is, oh, wow. Wow. Wow, sorry y'all, some of the pieces falling out. Not because the hair is shedding, it's because I cut off so much of the lace to, you know, get it down, and I just cut the baby hair. Wow. Wow. This doesn't need no curling. I don't even need to plug in my curling irons, because this right here by itself, honey, this looks good. This looks good. I think the only thing that I would do, and you do this very, very, very light-handed, y'all, and really you can even put on your hands, is to get these flyaways. Just to get these flyaways. This is really, really pretty. Now, you can layer it. You can most certainly layer it, which I may do for y'all right here. And this is where I don't need to pull the hair. Y'all see how I just added that little pizzazz right there, cutting off that? Oh, that just did it, honey. That did it, girls. That was all we needed. Now to do the other side. Oh, okay, pray for me. Pray for me, because I'm right-handed. Oh, okay, where did I stop at? I think right here. Oh, hold on. See, I'm nervous. This is where you have to embody the stylist in you, Keesha. Wasn't that much. It was literally just a little bit. I think I did a little bit more over here. Just a little. Girl, not me eating the girls up. Not me eating the girls up. Not me eating the rolls up, honey. There we go, baby. Not me. I don't need to curl the hair. I'm sorry, but it came ready. Like, this is how I will walk out the house. Like, okay, guys. So, I pretty much am done with the baby hair and... Excuse me. I decided to go ahead and curl the part that I cut to just show the effects of the layers with this hair. And let's cut cut that so we can see. Oh. 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 Okay, stop. Like, because that's literally how I feel. That was fucking amazing. I gotta do it over here. Okay, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. I'm trying to give the girls a new wig to go and purchase, especially with these holiday sales and everything going on. One thing I do need to get is one of the barrel, like barrel flat iron. What is it? It's not a flat iron if it's a barrel, but a barrel curler. Yeah, that. Let's see. Okay. Just gotta brush it out. Let's see. Oh, y'all. And that's it. That's the video right there, honey. That's it. That's the video right there, honey. Sit back so y'all can see. That's the video right there, honey. She did that. She did that. This is super beautiful. This is super beautiful. I told you y'all they never get it wrong. They never get it wrong. And I'm so in love with this wig. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you love this wig, and y'all know what I mean, if you love this wig, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And let them know also, say, hey, look, we're going to go support our girl Keesha, and we're all about to go ahead and shop this wig and many of the other wigs that they have. Because like I said, they never get it wrong. I absolutely love this company. 10 out of 10 every single time. But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.